In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find trending topics within your niche in order to build a lead magnet to give away to your ideal customers to build your email list super fast. What's up, guys? Stephen Horn here, affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. And if you remember in one of my previous videos, to be more precise, this video right here, I talked about 4 different lead magnets that you can give away in order to grow your email list really fast. In today's video, I'm going to make good on one of the promises that I made in that video to show you how to find trending topics within your niche so that you can skyrocket your email list. Now, there are 2 different methods that I use in order to do this, and neither one of them costs you a dime out of your pocket. With all of that being said, let's head over to my computer so I can show you the first method. Okay, so for this one, it's actually like a kind of a 2-parter. And the first place that you can find like trending topics in your niche is right here on YouTube. What I've noticed in my niche is that a lot of people have been talking about this new app called Clubhouse. It's basically an audio, I don't want to call it a podcast, but it's basically where you can, like an audio platform, whereas people sit in a room and they can have conversations with people from all around the world, and everybody from Elon Musk to Gary Vaynerchuk to regular people like you and I are in there. And I've noticed that there has been an increase, a number of people talking about this app called Clubhouse. So when you start seeing more and more people within your niche talk about one singular topic on YouTube, then that's a good idea to start building up a freebie around the thing that people are starting to talk about. Now, if you're still not sure on whether or not you should talk about it because you think, well, maybe it's already at its peak and it's just on a downfall, then another place to back up the evidence or back up your findings to talk about the subject will be this next website, which is Google Trends. Now, I use Google Trends a lot whenever I'm trying to find popular niches in order to create lead magnets to give away for like clickbait products or Warrior Plus products to get people's name and email. So let's go ahead and look up Clubhouse. I was fit to say clickbait, but we're looking up Clubhouse. So as you can see, Clubhouse has been making small waves all the way up to, what's this point? December 6th through 12th, and then it shot up pretty big and kind of fell off and then shot back up, and now it's going back on the downslope. Now, usually if Google feels as though the trend is about over with, you'll see there's like some dots going down, and that typically means that Google is predicting that people are going to stop talking about it. However, there is no such like dot going down, which might indicate that, yeah, Google has a feeling, Google's algorithm has a feeling that a lot of people are going to start back talking about Clubhouse. So maybe you're like, well, Steven, I don't want to risk it on something brand new. Let's talk about something that has been around for a little bit longer. Maybe I could get in on that. So let's do 2 more. Let's do Instagram, and then we're also going to add YouTube. And for the last one, we're going to do let's do TikTok. So now remember, we're searching for this in our niche, right? So we're going to come over to category, and we're going to go down to, my niche is business and it's industrial. So I'm going to look up business and industrial. And as you can see, out of all of them, TikTok is surprisingly at the forefront. So instead of looking for trying to make a freebie or give away a lead magnet for a Clubhouse, you can actually do one for TikTok, because as you can see in the business and industry niche, TikTok is far surpassing all of the other topics. Now, you can actually search up from where people are looking for this at. So let's look at YouTube, since that is my main source of traffic right now, or where I'm trying to build my main source of traffic, I should say. And even further, look at this. TikTok far surpasses anything else when you narrow it down to YouTube. But here's the thing. You can also do from location, the United States, Afghanistan, and all of these other countries, or you can do it worldwide. But this is just one of the two methods that you can use in order to find trending topics. We're going to talk about the second method in just a bit. The second way of finding trending topics is by following a big name in your niche. For mine, it's Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary seemed to be on top of a lot of the upcoming trends before they even come out. Now, I'll be one of the first to admit that when I first came across Gary Vaynerchuk, I did not like him at all. I mean, Mr. Vaynerchuk can seem a little pretentious and come off a little arrogant at times. However, once you start taking in more and more of his content, you get to see why so many people actually love the guy and follow him. And if you want to follow him, I will leave a link to his social media platforms in the comment section down below. With all of that being said, I'll see you guys next time.